Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where the future of transportation meets innovation and excitement. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about the latest electric vehicle designs that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've got an incredible lineup of EVs from around the world, each with its own unique features and design elements. From sleek and sporty to bold and futuristic, these vehicles are sure to leave you wanting more. Let's start with a car that's sure to bring back memories for Alfa Romeo fans, the new Alfa Romeo Giulia EV. Jarko Yemsane, founder of Avon Limited, is behind this stunning design, which pays homage to the classic 70s and 80s models. With its front grille and headlights reminiscent of the iconic GTA V6, this car is a love letter to automotive enthusiasts everywhere. But what really sets this design apart is its bold use of color, the beautiful Alfa red dubbed Rosso Competizione. This isn't just a new paint job, it's an entire visual identity that embodies the spirit of Italian design. And with its sleek, aerodynamic lines and sporty stance, this Giulia EV is ready to take on the roads. Next up, we've got a car that's all about elegance and sophistication, the Bio-Flo by Giorgio Bulgari. This futuristic vehicle is more than just a pretty face. It's also a showcase for cutting-edge biomaterials and regenerative design. The semi-transparent canopy seamlessly integrates photovoltaic technology, turning the car into a self-sustaining energy system. But what really gets us excited about this design is its use of sustainable materials, from hemp fiber composites to bioresins and bamboo elements. This is the future of transportation, folks, where cars are not just eco-friendly, but also beautifully crafted pieces of art. Now, let's talk about a car that's all about fun and driving excitement, the Small City Car by Johnny Horsfield at H2 Yacht Design. As an owner of vintage Alfas from the 70s and 80s, Johnny drew inspiration from those classic models to create a modern EV that's equal parts stylish and sporty. With its expressive eyes and flared arches at the front, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. And with its lightweight design and agile handling, it's the perfect companion for city driving. Finally, we've got an EV concept that's all about smart, modular manufacturing, the vision from Jarko Yemsane at Avon Limited and Navia Design Limited. This car's electric platform is visibly exposed, giving us a glimpse into the raw, honest engineering that goes into every model. And with its blend of engineering and aesthetics, this design is sure to inspire a new generation of EV enthusiasts. These are just a few examples of the incredible designs we're seeing in the world of electric vehicles right now. At Electro Drive News, we're all about staying on top of the latest trends and innovations, so stay tuned for more exciting stories like this one.